Hello everyone, this is Crypto Guru here, and today I'm going to unbox the latest version of Ledger Nano X special edition, which is called To the Moon. This is one of the first videos to ever unbox this special edition, so this makes this video exclusive one. So let's do this. Alright, so we got the special edition of the Ledger Nano X here, which is the To the Moon edition. Honestly speaking, it looks really nice. They designed it in a nice way, and the box design is actually identical to the Ledger Nano X, but it's just they designed the outer cover. So if we just take this one out, it's the normal Ledger Nano X box. So when you open it, okay, they have given a 3D card. I'm not sure whether this 3D effect is visible on the camera, but in live it actually those words are actually floating out of the card. It appears like I'm wearing a 3D glass, but without glasses it just those words are floating out of the card, which is really nice. And here we go, the actual To the Moon edition of Ledger Nano X. And on the back side they specify that it's the 5th anniversary edition, and apart from that it's the normal Ledger Nano X. Inside the box we have the introductory material. So inside it you have the 3 recover sheets, getting started guide, use care regulatory statement, and a couple of Ledger branded stickers. And apart from that, in the box we have a USB Type-C cable, and there is a small keychain link in it. And that's it for the Ledger Nano X unboxing. If you like me to do a configuration video, let me know in the comments, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the Crypto Guru channel. Thank you.